Hey you guys, welcome to our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day! Woo! Yeah! Alright, hi you guys. So today's video, we are going to be reviewing these drinks. This is a Boba brown sugar milk tea. Boba
Brown sugar.
Milk tea. And these are coffees. Mr. Brown regular iced coffee. We got a Mr. Brown Cappuccino iced coffee.
Oh, yeah.
And trust me here, this young man, he doesn't need any more of this sugar. And a Mr. Brown, ooh, macadamia. A macadamia nut iced coffee. This one really caught my attention. So we'll see. We're going to test these. But our cups are over there.
Which one should we try first?
Which one should we try first? What do you want to try? Let's try the
okay.
Brown sugar.
Here we go.
Here we go. Ready? All right. Well, here we go. We're going to try this boba milk tea, brown sugar with Konjac pearls.
Wow.
And I definitely know I probably pronounced that wrong again.
Not again.
Sorry. Sorry. But anyway, I wonder if there's pearls in there. Let's see. Smell that. What do you think? Ooh, what does it smell like?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah? Brown sugar. Little sweet. It smells a little sweet. With Konjac pearls? Well, anyway, that's what we're trying.
Those.
Let's see this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Okay. That's a different color. I was expecting it to be a little darker. Looks nice and smooth, but I don't see any pearls. That's weird. Maybe it's just dripping. Maybe it was just, I don't know. Served chill. Oh, it has 240 calories. Per, can you read that?
Yeah.
Per serving.
Yeah, amount per serving.
Yeah. You know what I think would be cool in here? If you actually did get the pearls, and that they sell them in the Asian market. Sometimes they're like in the little freezer area or refrigerated area, ready to go. And sometimes you can buy the packages where you have to actually prepare them yourselves. Just follow the directions. I don't know. I've never done that. Maybe that'll be something we'll try. I don't know. But anyway, let's try this. Cheers!
Cheers!
Okay. Okay. What do you think? Tell me your opinion.
It's really smooth, and you do taste the brown sugar in there, and even the pearls a little bit too.
Yeah, actually, I think you're right.
Yeah, it's really
I do agree with that. It is very smooth. I like the light brown color that's there. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, but it looks like maybe it's a possible light brown sugar. And yeah, actually, I think he's right. It's like really nice, smooth texture of taste going down. Yeah. I do agree. Also, I do like it better than the Tiger brown sugar place that we went to. Well, we'll put a link in the video. You can check that out somewhere, either a card up above or somewhere in the description or something. But yeah, the pearls. But, I think that this would be a good one if you're into boba milk tea. You can get this, and I think you would actually, guys. I think you would like it. It's really good. All right. Well, remember at the end of the video, we will do a star rating of all the drinks that we're gonna try.
for sure.
All right. We'll get our next one. Mr. Brown iced coffee. It says it's ready to drink. 8.12 fluid ounces.
Yes.
I wonder how strong it's gonna be. Do you think?
Ooh.
I wonder. It has 100 calories per serving. The whole can is 100 calories. We're sharing it. Just little drinks today.
Maybe.
But maybe, yeah. All right. Iced coffee, ready to go. Let's try this one. I shook it a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Here we go. Let's see.
Does it smell like it?
Mm? Whoa. Okay.
Wait.
Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
It smells like coffee.
Yeah, it does actually. Okay, here you go.
Wow.
That might be enough for you, dude. You're already hyper enough as it is.
It is a darker brown.
It is a little bit darker brown. Just regular iced coffee. Okay?
Makes sense to me.
Ready? Cheers. Mm. Okay.
Mmm.
Mm.
It's quite bitter.
It is a little bit bitter. I do agree. It was smooth going down.
Mm-hmm.
A little stronger than I thought.
Can feel it already.
You're just always hyper. It don't matter. But it's good.
Yeah.
I do like it. A little stronger and a little bit more bitter than what I was expecting. I probably personally, sorry, Chad.
Sorry.
I personally probably would like maybe a little lighter color. That's just my personal opinion.
Maybe.
Okay. What do you think?
I don't.
You don't drink coffee.
Nah. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is
It's kind of new.
a little bit harder for him to do this one. He doesn't drink coffee, but I think that's the Mr. Brown iced coffee. I mean, it tasted like coffee.
That's true.
And it was nice and smooth going down, a little bit bitter. And that's it. It's good.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay. Well,
Fair enough.
next one. All right, you guys.
Well.
The Mr. Brown Cappuccino iced coffee. Ready to go. Once again, this one, I believe, this is the same thing. 110 calories. Is that what the other one was? Same? Yeah.
I think so.
So, we're good to go. Yeah, I think so.
Just about.
110 calories. Cappuccino iced coffee. All right. Shook it a little bit. Chad shook it, bringing it back from the fridge.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay.
Ooh. It's a lighter brown.
Smells like cappuccino.
Yeah. I don't
You
know.
don't know, dude. You don't drink coffee. See why I don't need it? He doesn't need to drink any coffee. It is a little lighter.
Yes.
Cheers! Cheers, you guys! Okay. I like that one a lot. The cappuccino is really good. Is really, really good. Really smooth. Nice, lighter brown. I don't taste any bitter.
A little bit.
No.
No?
No.
Oh.
You do. It's okay if you do. I don't. I don't.
Yeah, I taste a little bit.
You do taste a little bit?
I do taste the milk. Is there milk?
Read the ingredients.
Well, I taste milk.
Well, you taste milk. Well, you have to read the ingredients.
Yeah.
Old age now. Can't read that little. But it's really good. Really smooth. I think we really did a good job picking some nice drinks to taste today.
Mm-hmm.
It's been really good. I like it. Cheers, you guys.
Yes.
All right. Cappuccino. That's really good. I like that one. All right. Next one is the macadamia nut. Ooh. There. No. All right. You're a good girl.
Oh, Daisy.
Daisy's gonna try some with us. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
No. Okay, so we got the Mr. Brown's macadamia nut iced coffee, as the rest of the other two.
Yes.
110 calories. Okay. Bye. I'm excited for this one. Macadamia nut iced coffee. You ready?
Yeah.
Did you shake it?
No.
Okay, I shook it. Woo! All right, here we go.
Whoa, no way.
Whoa. Maybe
Smell.
about the same as the cappuccino one. Same color. Okay. I can smell the macadamia nuts in there. Smells good. Ready? Yeah, it's about the same color, huh?
Yeah.
And they do have milk and soy in them.
Oh, yeah.
So Chad read it after off camera. Alright, there we go. Let's give that a try. Ready? Cheers. Cheers. And cheers. Mmm. I like that one.
Oh, yeah, you can definitely taste the macadamia.
Mm-hmm.
Macadamia. Yeah.
Macadamia nut.
Yes.
Anyway, yes, you can taste it. It does taste really good.
I also taste just a slight bitterness, but
And I like the little hint of macadamia nut that you can taste in there.
yes.
Very smooth coffees. I do recommend these a lot. Like nice little quick on the quick in the morning if you're in a rush. Little quick, fast to go. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I like them. Really nice. Like a very equal balance. I can taste the milk in that one also now.
Yep.
Alright, for the brown sugar boba milk tea, I did like it. I like this one a lot better than the video one that we went out to after we had pho.
I think
after
so.
we had pho, and then we went to the Tiger, and it was a brown sugar boba milk tea there also. I mean, it was good, but I do like this one a little bit better. I really felt that this was smoother, and you actually can taste the pearls in there, the boba pearls in there. My star rating on this is I give it a 4-star. I really like this one, and I wouldn't mind buying it and drinking it again. What's your star rating?
Also 4-star.
4-star. All right.
It's
Cool.
really fair and balanced.
Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. For the Mr. Brown iced coffees, we'll do the iced coffee one. I'm gonna give that a 3.5 star.
Yeah.
I know I said a lot of good things about it, but my reasoning for bringing it down some is because I personally felt it was a little too bitter and a little too strong. I don't care for that. If you like your coffee stronger, this might be a really good one for you.
Definitely.
Nice and smooth, good drinking, and everything like that. So yeah, 3.5 star.
Yeah, I would say also 3.5 because I don't know. I mean, it's bitter. That's why I guess.
Okay.
I don't really know.
All right. For the Mr. Brown Cappuccino iced coffee, I did like it. I really do think it's a good cappuccino iced coffee. I am gonna bump it up a little bit to a 4-star. All these are really good. They're really smooth. I like how this one tastes. What's your star rating?
Also 4 because I don't know, but
Copycat. Copycat. Just kidding.
okay.
Okay. The Mr. Brown Macadamia Nut Iced Coffee, I also give it a 4-star. Once again, I really did like it. I like that you can just taste, a little hint of the macadamia nut, and then you can still taste the coffee and all that stuff in there, and they're smooth. They're smooth going down drinking. It doesn't taste like, like roughness or anything like that. It's really good.
Yes.
Really good blended together. And your star rating?
4.5 because I like the flavor of the macadamia.
Oh, nice. Okay, awesome. Good. Well, you guys, these are our drinks that we did a review on for you. The Boba Brown Sugar Milk Tea and Mr. Brown Iced Coffees. All right, go give them a try. We recommend them. You have to go to some Asian market somewhere, wherever you are, should have them.
Yes.
Or something similar. All right.
Thank you for watching our
Wednesday Hump Day Food